Hi there, it's Yvonne LaRose, your organizational development consultant and coach. You know, there are times when we get into some bad company. No matter how amiable you try to be, no matter how much esprit de corps you put forth, no matter how much integrity and transparency you use, the present community takes advantage of it to your detriment. You come up with an idea that you propose as a project you will see through. The leader listens or reads the proposal very carefully. That sounds like an interesting idea, you're told, as the leader concludes with, "Let me get back to you on that." Time passes, and more time passes, and more time passes, and you hear nothing until the next group meeting when Joe from down the hall stands and presents your idea almost verbatim. You're assigned to work with Joe as a minion. Thank you very much. In the alternative, you're told the project is approved and you'll be in charge of it. And then, to your surprise, the memo goes out instructing others to see Joe about the details that are quite different from what was supposed to happen. You are out of the loop, and you will not be put into it. Yikes. And you find this happening quite often. In fact, Joe talks to you as if in casual conversation and asks innocuous questions about certain details. Then those innocuous details become part of the project Joe is piloting. Oh, shoot. You know, women have been toiling to overcome this phenomenon for a few centuries. Because the scenario keeps happening in one form or another, we have to realize it will not stop. As an alternative to getting angry and lashing out, continue to be outgoing, supportive, and all that other stuff. But start playing your cards close to the chest. Meanwhile, it would be wise to find a healthier environment. Look around for another department where you can transfer. Failing that, it may be time to quietly check out opportunities elsewhere. You may not have your name associated with the various projects you've proposed according to the official records. However, you kept copies of what was submitted, and you can talk about the great proposals you were integral in bringing to the group. You're only defeated if you allow yourself to get sucked in. Now that you can see things in a new light, take charge of getting yourself in a good place. Go get refueled so you can make your new entrances. This is Yvonne LaRose. I'll see you next time.